In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter Microsoft Forms responses. We'll walk through opening your form, jumping into the responses, sending them to Excel, and turning on filters so you can quickly narrow down the data you care about. Start by heading to Microsoft Forms in your browser. If you're prompted to sign in, use your work or school account so you can access your forms. On the Start page, you'll see options to create a new survey or quiz. Choose the type that matches your form. In this example, I'm opening a quiz, but the process is the same for surveys. Next, open the form you want to analyze. I'll use a sample called Animal Quiz, but you'll select your own form from the list. Once it opens, look toward the upper right area of the screen for the option to view responses. This is where Microsoft Forms aggregates everything people have submitted. Click View Responses to open the summary. Here, Forms gives you charts and counts, but for filtering and deeper analysis, we want the Excel workbook. On the right side, look for the Excel file associated with this form. It's automatically created and updated by Forms, so you don't need to build anything from scratch. Click the workbook to open it. It may open in Excel for the web, that's perfectly fine and works great for filtering. If you prefer Excel on your desktop, you can open it there as well. Inside the workbook, you'll see a table with each response on its own row and the questions across the columns. To add filters, go to the top ribbon and select the Data tab. Then click Filter. In some layouts, you might see filter available in more than one place. Just use the filter button that's visible to you until you see small drop-down arrows appear in the header row of your table. Those arrows are your filters. Click a headers drop-down to narrow results by that column. For example, you can filter by submission date to focus on a specific time range, by respondent choices to see only certain answers, or by status fields like whether a response is complete. You can also sort ascending or descending right from the same menu. If you want to remove a filter, open the drop-down again and choose Clear Filter or Toggle Filter off and back on from the Data tab to reset everything. That's it. You opened your form, viewed the responses, launched the Excel workbook, and turned on filters to slice your data the way you need. Save your workbook when you're done so your filtered view is easy to revisit or share.